Hello. Today we'll talk about how to make money in real estate. My name is Hector Villatoro. I'm the broker for RB Realty. Before we get to the video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm an immigrant, and when I came to this country, I have no money, no English, no car, no family. I was below the poverty level. So if you think you have a tough, I want you to reconsider that, because it was really tough. I'm not complaining about it. I'm a big boy, and I can make it happen. I have what it takes to do it. So, starting from that, I start to work in a factory. Then I move on to work in the restaurant. After that, I was working 2-3 jobs in restaurant, pizzerias, bagel store, and all this stuff. I was all over the place. But obviously, I was not satisfied. I hardly was able to see my wife. I used to sleep 2-3 hours a night. Even my dog didn't recognize me when I go home. Well, after that, I was talking to a friend, and I was always asking myself, how can I make more money? And believe me, I know in this particular time in history, there are a lot of people who have or are struggling to stay afloat economically because of the inflation or all the economic situation. I'm with you. I hear you. But I have to tell you, if you have 20 hours available of free times a week, or you're able to afford it, meaning that you're not going to watch TV, or you're not going to do some unnecessary hobby, I want to tell you that this video can change your life. If real estate was able to change my life, that can do it for you too. And always here at RB Realty, we are here to answer any question. So what is the first step? What are the few steps that you need to take to become a real estate agent? First, you're gonna go online or in person to a real estate school. You're gonna take 75-hour classes. They're gonna teach you the legal side of the real estate. What I mean by that, it's gonna teach you the thing that you can do and thing that you cannot do on the legal side. Secondly, once you pass the real estate school class, you need to go to the Department of State to take your class, to your state organization to take the test. Once you finish that, you need to call a broker or interview a couple brokers to find out what do they offer. I must tell you, many agents, they ask me, first thing they ask me, how much is your split? I tell you, I want you to start thinking about business, because with 90% of the people will not do it. I take it back. This is not for that class, so I will cover. I want to incentivize you to take action, incentivize you to do the class of real estate. Now you need to take some education. Now this video will continue in part 2. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question, call RB Realty. My name is Hector Villatoro. and we are here to help you to make and change your life. I know you can change it. Thank you very much. Yo, I want you to every day.